Hi, my name is Ken Sauret. I'm here with Lowrance, and I want to talk a little bit about Insight Genesis. And Insight Genesis is a new program, new website that Lowrance has where you can log and record your sonar readings and update that to the Insight Genesis website, and that website will convert your sonar readings to contour line mapping that you can use then later, download onto a card and put in your unit, and have your own mapping detail. So what we have here is, if you notice the screen, we've got all of our red dots are blinking here on all the three sonars, and the left and the right of down scan, structure scan, the down scan, and the traditional broadband sonar. The red dots mean that we're recording. And what you do is, this is a HDS 12 touch, and if you go to settings and you go to sonar, log sonar is what you would do to start this. You put a blank MMC card, SD card in your card reader, and right now I'm logging. It tells me how much I've done, and we can check this. But when you log sonar, you save your sonar readings to the card, and you hit enter and then close it. Now that's when the red dots come up, and what you're doing is, as you idle around or fish around, everywhere you go, the sonar readings, and we're getting about a reading out here to about 80 feet to each side of the boat, so that's a 160-foot swath of the bottom is being recorded. And we have GPS GPS longitude and latitude are correlated with every square foot of your logging. So when you upload this to the website, all this contour line mapping that is in the Insight mapping that comes in the units, it will be updated accordingly with actual recordings of your sonar logs. So it's a way to get more accurate readings to existing lakes or favorite lakes that you fish. There may be small lakes out there that don't have any mapping detail at all. There's no cards out there that have the mapping detail for your small lake, municipal lakes, things like that. You can go over your lake and record those sonar logs, upload it to the Insight Genesis website, and you can download cards proprietary to your units with your serial number unit in there, and that's a mapping detail and contour lines, shaded relief mapping of hardness of bottom or vegetation, a lot of different layering that you can do down to 1 foot increments on your unit. Then you have mapping of a lake that previously had no mapping at all. When we do the Insight Genesis and we upload it to the website, and we can either make it private, so that's just for our use only, or we can make it public. Public means that Lowrance will use that Insight mapping that you have loaded up, the actual recordings, and they'll verify it when they get 2 or 3 different recordings up there to verify that that is actual data, and then they're going to update the mapping that everybody gets to use. So it's a great process, great program. Check out Lowrance.com, go to the Insight Genesis part of their website, and check it out. It's a great deal.